Dogwood consists of a large group of deciduous flowering shrubs and trees within the genus Cornus. The word cornu means horn in Latin, most likely in reference to the tree's hard, dense wood. Dogwood can be planted as privacy hedges, as border accents, or as a specimen or shade tree. These plants flower in early spring, and produce berries in summer. The foliage turns into striking autumn colors. And some species have brightly colored stems. They provide interest and appeal in almost every month of the year. Dogwood are hardy in USDA zones 3 to 8, depending on the species. The flowers of the flowering dogwood are actually petal-like bracts with the true flowers clustered in the center. These bracts may be pink, white or yellow. The fruits that follow may be in scarlet red or pinkish red. There are several types of dogwood, some are large shrubs and others are small trees. The more popular small to medium-sized dogwood trees are the flowering dogwood or Cornus florida, the Cosa dogwood or Cornus cosa, the mountain dogwood or Cornus nuttallii, and the Cornelian cherry dogwood or Cornus mus. The more popular dogwood in shrub form are the common dogwood or Cornus sanguinea, the gray dogwood or Cornus racemosa, and the red twig dogwood or Cornus sericea. The best time to plant dogwood is in autumn. Always select healthy dogwood with good form. They prefer moist, well-draining, acidic soil with pH of 5.5 to 6.0. The soil must also be fertile, so amend it with lots of organic matter before planting. Choose a site that gets full sun in the morning and some shade from the hot afternoon sun. For dogwoods that are grown for their colorful stems, make sure they are planted in an area that gets plenty of sunshine in the winter to encourage bright stems. Dogwood have shallow roots, so water regularly and deeply to maintain consistent moisture. Add a thick layer of mulch to help keep the roots cool and moist in hot summers, and insulate them from the harsh winter. Dogwood doesn't require fertilizing if planted in nutrient-rich soil. It's best to amend the soil each year with organic matter. And mulch with pine needles and pine bark to provide acidity to the soil. If you have poor soil, feed with any general-purpose fertilizer in early spring. Do not fertilize newly planted dogwood because over-fertilizing young plants can kill them. Prune dogwood when they are dormant, usually during late fall or winter. Dead branches can be removed any time of the year to promote good air circulation and allow more light. For dogwood shrubs that are grown mainly for the colorful branches, cut back stems to the ground in early spring in order to encourage fresh growth. It's the new stems that offer the best color. Dogwood borer is a common pest. The best prevention is to avoid any injuries to the trunk and bark with equipment such as lawnmowers. Avoid pruning during spring and summer as well. Dogwood anthracnose is a disease that can cause the tree to decline and die. Seek help from your local nurseries or garden centers for proper pest and disease control. Dogwood can be propagated from seed or stem cutting. Hybrid varieties such as pink dogwood are best propagated using cuttings because the seeds will not breed true. Dogwood will provide 4 seasons of interest in the landscape and attract birds and wildlife. It's the perfect specimen or foundation plant for most gardens. Thank you for watching.